Hey guys, it's me again. So I would like to tell you guys that if you have anything you would like to see me make next, you can comment that down in the comment section below. Please do leave a comment. And before we get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you're gonna need half cup of butter, or in other cases, 1 stick. There we go. And there is a little blue on there. I'm not sure. I think it's food coloring for my finger. I did get some food coloring there. But anyways, you're gonna need to microwave that and make sure it is yes, fully microwaved. And add it into your bowl because we're going to be using melted butter. Mix that in with a spatula, or you can just use a whisker if you would like to. We're then going to be adding in our brown sugar. This is dark brown sugar, but you can also use light brown sugar. I just don't recommend that. Then we're going to be adding in our sugar. This is fine granulated sugar. And we will be mixing that in. We're going to use the folding technique throughout this, pretty much throughout the whole video, so yes, just make sure you use that folding technique. It's really good and it fully mixes everything. And there we go, it is almost done mixed. You will then be adding in your vanilla extract. You then want to mix it in. And then you're going to be adding in your 1 egg. Mix in your egg, make sure it is fully combined, and use that folding technique to mix it in. So next we're going to be adding in some flour, and whoops, got that part messy, but it's okay, it's now cleaned. And you're going to be adding in your baking powder. And after your baking powder, you will add in your baking soda. And mix that in together. So we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of water. I prefer warm water. I use warm water, but you can also use cold water. Don't think it should make a difference. So I went in with my hands here because it was a little hard to mix, and it is overall cookie dough, not just cookie batter. So feel free to use your hands. And then wash your hands after. It'll get some stickiness onto it. Alright, here I am back after washing my hands, and we have the cranberries. And we are also going to add in our white chocolate chips at the same time too. You will then use your folding technique to mix it in again. If you want to use your hands, you can do so, but I just I use the spatula. I found it a lot easier. And yes, make sure you taste your batter. It is really good. Just don't eat all of it, please. Trust me, it's worth it. So at this point, I decided there does need to be something included. I figured I do like cranberries a lot, so why not just add more? And I added in another extra 3 tablespoons of cranberries and folded that in. So then you need your pan. Again, I do use tin foil, also called aluminum foil. You can use wax paper, but tin foil really works for me in case, it sticks on to the pan. Tin foil just helps it a lot easier. So yeah, I recommend using tin foil and spraying that again with the butter spray, and it's really good. But you can also use your stick butter or just oil. And you want to get 2 tablespoons of cookie dough, which is how much I used, and roll it and put it onto your tray. Over here I got some glue onto it again. I don't know why, but I seem to have coloring on me. Yes, I do like precision. And just one tip, you do not want to use these. Please, they do not make great cookies. If you have perfectly circular ones, you can use those too. But just don't use the ones that are like weirdly shaped. Please don't. So over here, I would like to let you guys know that the third cookie I placed on was a little too flat. So make sure you do not do the same mistake that I did. And I will show you sooner in the video what happened to that cookie right here. The third one that I placed on. It's terrible. Trust me, it's terrible. So do this to the rest of your batter. And yeah, this is the cookies inside the oven. And these are the cookies outside of the oven when they are fully cooked. And that is the cookie right there that happened. The situation that we don't want to talk about. This is the situation. It's too flat. Press down a little too more. Please don't do this. Warning, do not do this. And many of you guys want those little crack the cookies, so here they are. And yes, it tastes good. The demon cookie. Keep it in an airtight container and you may serve. Makes 24 cookies.